Welcome back everyone to another gameplay classic tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can play the Bleach Brave Souls game on your PC in full screen mode. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Bleach Brave Souls game on your device, and once you open and start playing, you may notice that the game automatically opens in windowed mode, and there is no option within the menu to change this into full screen. So if you wish to change the game display mode into full screen, you will need to look for this tiny option at the top left corner of the main menu, where you will see the monitor. Go ahead and tap on it, and now this will show you the change resolution option. Make sure that the full screen mode is turned on, and you can also adjust your resolution from the resolution drop-down menu. Tap on your desired resolution, and once full screen is turned on, press the OK button, and now the game will open up in full screen mode right away. You can then start enjoying the game on full screen mode. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to enable full screen mode on the Bleach Brave Souls PC version. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.